Merry Christmas. This is the ancient one. Christmas Day, December 25, 2023, at Legacy Lodge, Lake Lanier, in the conference area. No conference go on, so I have this place to myself. It's amazing. So a chance to do some videos for my students and my subscribers and anybody else that's watching. This is entitled Butt Board, how to contain your body in a very systematic way. So what we do, find an area, whether it's a pool table, dining room table, even a wall, or we put our butt against the back. I have this long table, or marble top here, in this conference center. So I'm going to put my butt against the back here. And I'm going to show you how I do the airplane. So I put my arms out like this. And then I go down here. And get as much of a stretch and straight. And when I come through, my whole body turns. So it's a windmill effect. If I do this, heel toe, and proper leg work, I can stay right with it. Put it out there. So I'll do this against the butt board. So I put my butt back against here. Stick it up, stick it back. I have to do that to bend over. I can't be straight here. No, I've got to get enough distance here with my heels. Then I stick my butt out. Now I'm properly positioned. Now I do my airplane turn. Now my right glute hip is touching the board, the shelf. So I'm turning, and I turn, it stays in contact until I get to right about here. Then it's a left hip. Then I'm coming through this manner. So this, back and forth. Keep in contact. Just practice this a lot. You'll get the feeling of continuity, containment, consistency, and then hit it out a long way. Well, you guys can. But I get mine straight. Thank you. Merry Christmas. All the best in the new year.